Hi, today's question comes from Ellie. He's an avid athlete and has been recently diagnosed with having a fatty liver. He wants to know, is there anything I can do to reverse these symptoms of having a fatty liver? Yes, there definitely is. The liver also is an incredibly important organ that's responsible for so many functions in the body, but most importantly, detoxification and cleansing that allows your body to function at its best. So if you're diagnosed with a fatty liver, it's critical that you take processes to start reversing the condition and start helping your liver cleanse. So what I'm going to do is give you my 3 things that I recommend to my patients to cleanse their liver and help reverse a fatty liver. So number 1, the first thing again is that the liver is a detoxification organ. So number 1, stop putting toxins in your body. First, food toxins, and second, environmental toxins. So environmentally, when it comes to detergents and cleaners and shampoos and anything you put on your body or in your household, those toxins add up and your liver has to deal with it. The companies that I like are 7th Generation and Mrs. Meyer's. Those are the best companies that I found that have good, eco-friendly ingredients and can help reduce the toxic overload that you're putting onto your system. Now, when it comes to food, it's very simple. Stay away from the processed grains, sugars, fried foods that have been cooked in vegetable oils, because trans fats, partially hydrogenated oils, are very damaging to your body and very toxic to your liver. So foods that have been cooked in corn oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, those oils can create trans fats, and it's hard on the liver. Use foods that have been cooked in avocado oil or coconut oil. Also, you want to make sure that you're reducing conventional meats and dairy foods. Meats and dairy that come from conventional farms and those types of sources can have residues of pesticides, steroids, and other hormones that you do not want in your body and that the liver will have to work to detoxify. So make sure you're reducing conventional meats and dairy foods as well. You could really introduce meat and dairy from grass-fed sources. When you're having fish, make sure it's wild-caught and not farm-raised fish. And of course, lots of fruits and vegetables. And if you do have grains, make sure they're sprouted. So number 1, reduce those environmental toxins and also the food toxins. Number 2, I recommend 3 really critical herbs that reduce liver inflammation and start helping the liver repair if it has some degenerative qualities to it. So here's the 3 herbs that I like. I like turmeric, especially turmeric extract. Now you're going to see supplements out there that are turmeric powder. Turmeric powder only has about 5, maybe 10% tops of the specific ingredient that's really necessary to reduce inflammation, called curcumin. The curcuminoids that really make turmeric so powerful as an anti-inflammatory need to be high in number for the turmeric to have a really positive effect. So make sure you're getting a turmeric extract. The turmeric extracts usually are standardized at about 95% curcuminoids versus the 5 to 10% that will come from a turmeric powder. The second herb that I like is dandelion. Dandelion is wonderful because it has a lot of potassium, and it's great for the liver because it really supports bile production and bile flow, which is critical for liver health. The third herb that I recommend is milk thistle. Milk thistle is wonderful at reducing liver inflammation, as well as the curcuminoids of the turmeric was, and also has been shown to help reverse liver damage. So those 3 herbs are incredibly important for liver detoxification and helping reverse a fatty liver. Turmeric, especially the turmeric extract, so you get the curcuminoids, dandelion, and milk thistle. Now, the third thing that I love for fatty liver and any liver problem is choline. Choline is a B vitamin that has been shown to be critical in liver function, and when deficient, has been shown to actually increase fatty liver and liver damage. So make sure you're getting choline either from a supplement or you can get it from a food source in egg yolks and other meat products. But when I see someone with a fatty liver, because choline deficiency is really dependent on the person and their genetic makeup. So someone could be eating egg yolks and having a high protein diet, getting a lot of grass-fed meat, but still can be deficient in choline. So anyone who has a fatty liver or any sign of liver disease, I always recommend taking an additional choline supplement. So those are my 3 things for fatty liver and a liver cleanse. I hope this helps Ellie out there. Obviously, if you have any questions, feel free to ask at any time. Have an amazing night.